It's safari time, and today on Disney Cars Toy Club, we're going to be opening the Barbie Sisters Safari tent. Okay, so here is what came in the box. We have one little bench, little seat, and that just pops down so that you can fold it when you're done playing. There is one lantern, a campfire, and one stick with a couple of marshmallows for roasting marshmallows on the fire. There is a Barbie doll, and she is wearing her safari pajama bottoms, and look at her cute little fuzzy slippers. And she also has long dark hair with like a hot pink or purple streak in it. Cute. She has a cute little outfit on. And then this is her sleeping bag. That looks cozy. And this is the contents of the tent. So we will check out our instructions and then we'll put our tent together. Okay, so I just looked over the directions and I think I know what I'm doing. So we are going to start by snapping the blue tubes into this piece, and I think that this will hold the tent up like so. It snaps together easily. Okay, so then we have the purple tubes, and those will be sliding onto the end of the blue pieces. Oh, I think I have that backwards. Okay, so clip that in. Wow, I think this thing is going to be really big. It says that it fits 4 dolls. Now only one comes with the set, so we'll have to invite some friends over to hang out. Yeah, this thing is going to be really big. So that is the top part of the tent. And next we're going to snap the purple tubes in. Okay. And I think after this, we can stand it up and put the tent part over it. Okay, let's see. I know we're not done. Surely we have to put something else on it first. I bet we have to do these pieces that would connect the top. I'll show you. So this is the next step. We have to put these light pink tubes, and that will stabilize the legs and make our little tent sturdy. Okay, last one. Okay, there we go. You guys, I did it wrong. And I was just gonna redo it, but I think that the mistake that I made, a lot of people will make, so I wanna show you. So instead of the purple tubes going up and down, they actually go this way. I thought that the pink one seemed a little bit too small, and then when I got ready to put the tent over it, the tent didn't even touch the ground because they were too short. So, okay, so here we go. So this is the next step, and that definitely fits better. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and put the tent over that part of the frame, and we'll flip it over. And then next we put in the tent legs. Okay, so this is the light pink part, and if you can see right here, there is a little piece of fabric that creates a little tube. We're gonna press the light pink tube through that, and then snap that down into that purple piece, and that will keep the tent tight against the leg. So you can see how that works. Okay, so we're just gonna go around and do that for each side. find the little piece of fabric. There it is. And then you're going to press that up through the purple piece. Okay, here's my next one. And just one more to go after this. And then we can stand it up. It does clip together easily. That part is really nice. It's a little bigger than I thought. It's kind of hard to show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is our last leg going in. Press that down into the purple part, and voila. Okay, that looks better. Now this next part is very tricky too, so you definitely want to pay close attention to this. So you're going to attach one of these pieces to each part of the legs, each end of the leg. So it looks like this, and what you'll do is slide this and then click that. That's going to snap down, and the hot pink poles that we have left, those are going to attach. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and snap these onto each corner. So it goes like this, and it just presses down. This part is tricky. Okay. Oh, that was too easy, so it wasn't right. Okay, so now one more after that, then we can attach the pink legs, and after that we should be all set up, ready to play. Okay, now the last thing I want to show you is there is a little piece of elastic on each side of the tent. So pull the tent up. Now we're going to bend those corner pieces like that and attach the pink part, and then slide that through the elastic. Actually, you know what? We should do that first. So we'll feed the pink pole through the little piece of elastic. Which is easier said than done. Ah! I thought I had it. Okay. And then we will attach it to the corner piece. See how that fits in there? Like that, and then turn this side and we'll do the same thing, and that should pop into that corner piece. There we have it. So we just need to do that on each side now. Now the sides of the tent have two pieces of elastic on them, and I don't think the front has any because those will be the flaps that open so Barbie and her friends can get in and out of the tent. There we go. Now we're making a little progress. That is what the inside of the tent looks like. Almost done. All right, we got it. Oh, I forgot to put the last one in the front. There we go. There. It's our little safari tent. It's actually very sturdy. So there are a couple of other little things I want to show you. There are these little clips, and and they clip onto the pole here. So you can take the, let's see, clip, and clip it onto the pole, and then that will allow you, goodness. There. Geesh. That will allow you to clip back the sides of the tent. So during the daytime you could have that clipped back like that so that you can see into the tent. And I want to show you a couple of other things that came with this play set. There is a canteen. I don't know if you know what a canteen is, but that is what you fill up with water. Like if you are camping or hiking, you would fill up your canteen with water so that you had fresh water to drink. Nowadays, there's lots of different water bottles on the market, so this is kind of old school now. And then there's also a compass. And a compass helps you find the directions for where you're going. It points you either in north, south, east, or west direction, and you can figure out where you're going. And then there's also a pair of sunglasses. You can slide those right on Barbie. Let's see here. Okay, so she's got her shades on. And I thought this was really cute. On the inside of the tent, there's a hook, and that is where you hang your lantern so that your tent lights up at night. So we've got the lantern hung, and then we can put the sleeping bag in the tent. Maybe we'll set up her canteen and her compass, and then take off her shades, and Barbie can relax a little bit. Okay, so now I have Barbie sitting out in front of her campfire, and she has her marshmallows all ready to toast. She just looks so lonely. We need to get her some friends. There, now Barbie has some friends. It's Princess Anna and Queen Elsa. I wonder if Anna and Elsa would like to go camping. It would be a lot different than living in their palace in Arendelle. Imagine camping with Queen Elsa. One minute you're sitting around a warm, toasty fire, and the next minute it's frozen. Here are some animals you might see if you were on a safari. But don't worry, if things get crazy, Elsa will freeze them. Okay guys, that's all I have for today, but I have lots of other ideas of ways that we could use Play-Doh with this playset. So if you'd like to see a video like that, click on the like button. And leave me a comment and tell me, do you think Elsa and Anna would like to go camping? For more Disney cars, Play-Doh, and surprise toy fun, check out our channel. Please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Good night.